Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sophie and here we talk everything social media based for your business. So let's get started. We've all been there when we've not posted because we don't know what to post or we just run out of time. But today I'm going to stop that with our time-saving tips to help you. So the first one is to plan ahead to stop this from happening. So to either plan a month ahead or even a week ahead, but on a Sunday, for instance, you could just plan for, 4 posts, and you could plan them posts on the Sunday, create them, and then just jot it down on your calendar so you know, even set a reminder so you know that you're going to post consistently, because you do need to be consistent to get the results from social media marketing. Now, a content calendar will be handy. For now, you could just use a calendar and the reminder on your phone, but I definitely recommend getting a content calendar and also our content planner because it really does help you structure out what you should be posting and when to post it. Now, if you are struggling with what to post, you can ask your audience. Now, this is how I got the subject idea for my video today. So it definitely does work and it definitely does help. But if you don't really have a big following or people are just not replying on your post, then what you can do is go on Google, trusty Google. So you can type in there frequently asked questions about your industry or your niche, and then just answer them questions through either video or audio or just a normal post. So just answer them questions, and that is a content idea just there. Another thing that's really time saver is pre-write your hashtags on notes on your phone. So just get groups of hashtags that you want to use that you know are working, and just pre-write them out and save them. So all you have to do then when it comes to posting is copy and paste. Very good time saving tip. But yeah, I really hope this information's helped. Remember, every Thursday I have a new marketing video out to help you. So get involved with that. But yeah, I hope you have a lovely day.